Ancient history. Ancient history. How to use ancient history in a sentence. Hi everyone. I'm Heslam from www.translatean.com. If you have been looking for ancient history and sentence examples with audio pronunciation, then you are right here. So let's get started. My father is interested in ancient history. He is well acquainted with ancient history. That's all you woke me up for ancient history. That's all you woke me up for ancient history. He's doing in-depth research on ancient history. Tom and Mary have broken up. That's ancient history. Fauzi and Mary have broken up. That's ancient history. I have never seen anyone who knows so much about ancient history. It's not ancient history. Those are ancient history. Oh. Neither. I was a cobra. Ancient history. It's ancient history under these circumstances. So why would you be interested in ancient history? Listen. This is ancient history. I put that behind me. Enough with the ancient history. I told you I am fortifying myself. I have only looked at the first few pages. I love reading about ancient history, but I don't see much reason for buying such an expensive book. The ancient history of Kathmandu is described in its traditional myths and legends. During ancient history. As such, it is a term widely used in the fields of Near Eastern archaeology, ancient history and Egyptology. Every subheading in the first part of the research paper pertained to religious persecution during ancient history. The word antiquity usually means ancient history that is before the start of ancient Greek history in about 776 BC. The ancient history of Kathmandu is described in its traditional myths and legends. Who was the founder of Manjupadan? The students are constantly asking about the relevance of studying ancient history when they live in the present time. What is a term of the 20th century intended to stabilize the geographical application of Near East to ancient history? During ancient history. Robert Drews describes the collapse as the worst disaster in ancient history, even more calamitous than the collapse of the Western Roman Empire. It is considered by many to be the great master of Zhang ethnic research for his writings about the ancient history of Zhang ethnic and Baiyu ethnic. Citizens during ancient history were required to be obedient to all church officials by paying for indulgences and worship the way they were told to do. The work is uncritical and probably much added to, and the value of the articles is very unequal. Nevertheless, it contains much information on ancient history and life. Israelites enjoyed political independence twice in ancient history. The ancient Near East is a term of the 20th century intended to stabilize the geographical application of Near East to ancient history. Israelites enjoyed political independence twice in ancient history. Thank you for watching. Here are a couple of videos that I suggest you watch next. Before you move on to next video, if you find this video helpful, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Just click the link in the description below and enable all notifications. You will be notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much. See you soon.